What if I told you that the secret to building unstoppable self-discipline isn't about grinding harder, but rather about making small, manageable shifts in your daily routine? The only habit you need to build self-discipline in 2026, no motivation required. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking approach to self-discipline that doesn't rely on sheer willpower or motivation. In 2026, the only habit you need to cultivate self-discipline can be simplified into three powerful methods: the 5-minute rule, the 2-day rule, and Seinfeld's don't break the chain. Let's break these down and see how they can transform your productivity and growth. Let's start with the 5-minute rule. Imagine this. You've got a daunting task staring you down. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you commit to working on it for just 5 minutes. That's it. You'd be surprised at how often just starting for 5 minutes leads to a flow that lasts much longer. Research shows that the initial hurdles are what keep us from beginning, but once you're in motion, it becomes easier to continue. So, next time you face a task you dread, tell yourself, just 5 minutes. You may find yourself working for an hour before you even realize it. Next, we have the 2-day rule. This method is built on the principle that if you're trying to build a new habit, you allow yourself one off day, but not 2 consecutive ones. For instance, if your goal is to exercise, take a break when you need it, but don't let that break extend into another day. This creates a sustainable routine without the pressure of perfection, allowing you to slip up occasionally while still maintaining overall progress. It's the perfect balance of flexibility and commitment. Finally, let's explore Seinfeld's don't break the chain. This powerful method encourages you to create a calendar where you mark every day you complete a task. You're essentially creating a visual representation of your consistency. The more days you mark, the longer your chain becomes. The goal is simple. Don't break the chain. This visual cue serves as a motivating factor, as watching that chain grow can become addictive. It's a reminder of your commitment to stay disciplined, turning small efforts into monumental achievements over time. Summary. So, to recap, we've discussed 3 incredible methods to build self-discipline in 2026 by applying the 5-minute rule, allowing yourself a break with the 2-day rule, and using Seinfeld's don't break the chain technique to keep yourself accountable. You'll find that sustainable productivity is well within your reach. Precap. Up next, I'll share how you can implement these methods in your daily life with actionable tips that guarantee results. Stay tuned, because this is where it gets exciting. If you like today's video, please hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments about what method you're excited to try. Remember, self-discipline isn't a sprint, it's a journey, and the only habit you truly need starts with small, consistent changes. See you in the next video.